Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 8110 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. And before we get started, you will need to have a SIM card in the device, otherwise you cannot enable the setting. So from there, just gonna grab the phone, go into the menu by pressing the middle button, and then to the settings right here, and you navigate to the menu by all the arrow keys basically. And from here, by default you will open up and be in the network and connectivity. So just scroll down till you see internet sharing right here. And from internet sharing, you'll have Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can enable it by just tapping on it right here, and then select turn on, which is the button on the right. Just gonna tap cancel. And below you will see the name of the network as it will show up on other devices, and then the security, which will be the type of security uses, and then password below, which will be used to connect with the network itself. And if you want to change any of these, so you would go into hotspot settings, just click here, and first you have the network name, which is Nokia 8110 4G, then security type, and then the password. Can show or hide password, and it only applies, to the settings, so it doesn't really matter there. And once you are satisfied, you can just click on save, and the changes will be made. And from there you can just go here and then turn it on, and then confirm it, Wi-Fi hotspot, and as you can see now it's on. So that is how you would enable it. And let's see, if I would go back and let's see if I can access it quicker from here. Nope. So to exit this, you will have to go back to the settings again, like so, and go back to the last setting, or almost last, where was it, internet sharing, and go back here and then select off to turn it off, and now it will be off. So that is how you would enable and disable the hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.